Gelato review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will tell you all about gelato, its features, its pros and cons, and everything related to it. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. And if you click the link in the description, you will get 50% discount from your first order during the first 3 days after the initial sign up process. And Gelato offers free global shipping for 3 months to its annual subscribers to the new Gelato Plus Gold tier of subscriptions. Also guys, I would just like to emphasize that for Gelato Plus Gold members, for the new subscribers, they will get 3 free months of international shipping. So let's get started. So over here, I'm on the platform, and as you can see, this is how it looks like, right? Pretty simple. Now, first up, what I'm going to be telling you is the sign up process. So the sign up process is very easy. It's very, very easy. All right. All you have to do is just simply click on the sign up button over here and just enter in your email address and you are good to go. So if I click on the sign up button over here, then this is how the platform looks like. So over here, this is the sign up page. You can easily sign up with either your Google account, your Facebook or Apple account, or you can even continue on with your email address. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, right? Now I've already created an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. So this is the platform right here. So let me just show you how it basically works. So there are basically 3 steps to get started with Gelato. First one is you have to connect it to a store, like you have to integrate it with a store, and it is super easy. That's why I love Gelato, and it's very easy. So what you're gonna need to do is you're simply gonna come over here onto the left side where you have all these options. You're just simply gonna click on store, and it's gonna take you over here to the store list over here. So over here you have a bunch of different platforms that Gelato supports. So you have your own custom store that you can create over here. You have your Shopify account, your Etsy, your WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, BigCommerce, eBay, Amazon, Magenta, Ecwid, and 3D Cart over here as well. So very simple to integrate it with. Just choose a store and just simply click on connect, and it's going to take you over to the app store of that store, and you can easily integrate it. So as you can see, I've already integrated it with my store. So if I were to, let's say, connect it to another store, let's say another Shopify account, then all I would need to do is just simply click on connect, and over here all I would have to do is sign in and log in into my Shopify account and click on find application and add application, and it'll install the application and we are good to go. So it's very simple. It's one of the easiest way to integrate your store, which is why it's so awesome. It's one of the things I love about Gelato. Next, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create a product, right? So what you're going to do is just simply click on product catalog over here, and over here just choose a type of product you want. So let's say men's clothing, and over here we will have a bunch of different clothing for men. We'll go with the t-shirt, and then we have the premium crew neck t-shirt over here, and we'll just simply choose that. And then we can go ahead and start designing the t-shirt as well. So as you can see, currently it's 10.83 euros, like let's say almost 11 euros. So over here down below you will get all of your details about the product and stuff like that. So pretty simple, right? Now that was where you can create a product for yourself. Now if you're wanting to create a product for your store, just simply click on store and click on add product over here, and then you can click on add product or connect your product that you've already created. So if you click on add product, you can easily create a product and connect it over here in these simple 5 steps. So you have the product, you have the design, media, details, and pricing. So over here you choose the type of product you want. So let's say we want men's clothing. We choose a type of men's clothing. Let's go with another t-shirt, and then we'll choose the premium unisex t-shirt over here, and then it's going to take us over to the design section where we design our t-shirt. So over here we can choose the sizes, choose the colors, we can choose front or back of the t-shirt wherever we want. So I don't want 3XL or XXL. I'll just keep it with small, medium, large, and extra large. Pretty much it. Then we're going to choose the color. I'm going to choose black, maybe navy, and gray as well. So each product over here you can go ahead and design individual products, different logo, different colors of logo on each of these products. It stands out more. You have layers as well. You can click on add new layer and add more layers and add more things on top of the layer so that you can create a pretty decent and unique looking product on your own. You have your text files, your layout, you have even Getty image over here. So if you wanted to, let's say, add an image from Getty image or graphics, or even images from Shutterstock or collections over here, then you can go ahead ahead and do that and subscribe to their plan, which is the Gelato Plus features, and you are good to go. So for now, I'm just simply gonna stick to the free plan over here. I'm gonna click on files and I'm gonna choose a file that I want. So these are some of the files that I have. So all I would need to do is just simply click on a file, and here we go. So we have our file ready. Now this has a white background, so I don't want a white background, so I'm just simply gonna go ahead and remove the white background so that it doesn't, all right, so I have this one right here. I'll just simply click on this one because it doesn't have a background over here. It's just a PNG file, which I think is pretty cool. So over here, you can go ahead and do that. Same thing with over here on the gray one and on the black one and over here on the navy one as well. So you can place it anywhere you want, maybe like the corner over here or over here in the top, in the center. It all depends on you. You can even make it, bigger as well over here like this. So let me just increase it to the maximum size that we can, and pretty much that's it, right? So over here, this is how it looks like. It looks really good on the black one. I really like it. Then you can add some text images as well. So if you click on text, you can go ahead and add a text over here. Type whatever you want. You can say something like the branded one. I really like that one. I'll just add a text to the back and I'll say the branded one. And then you can maybe increase it so that it's a one-liner type of deal like this one, and you can put it over here at the top. I like it over here. You can change the color over here by, if you click over here, you can change the font color to green, to white. I'm gonna actually keep it red, and I'll just put it over here, the red. Yeah, I think that looks good. You can change the fonts by clicking over here, and you can choose a font that best describes your design. Maybe something a little bit bolder would do, like that one. Yeah, I think that looks good. So I think it looks nice. So next, what you can do is just simply click on continue. Once you've added your design, you'll be taken over here into the media where you choose the mock-up designs over here. So as you can see, I have a bunch of different options over here. You can choose whichever one you want. I'm just simply gonna go with this one, and probably this one as well. So down below you will view your mock-up designs as they are. I might even choose the black, and I'm even gonna choose the back version as well so that it works. Yeah, I think that looks good. Once you've done it, just simply click on continue to details, and over here you can add the details of your product and the name of the product, all of its descriptions and stuff like that. And then you can continue to prices, and over here you can choose the prices you want. Over here, this is going to be the official price of the product, and over here is going to be the profits you are going to be making per product as well. Over here, if I just go with like 1,000 over here, and once you've done that, just simply click on publish, and your product will be published to your store over here. So I changed, as you can see over here, publishing. So I'll just wait for it to be published. So over here, as you can see, we have connected it to our store. 16 variants are connected. And now if we just go over to our store over here, then we can view it. So pretty simple, right? And this, I think it's less than 10 minutes now, and I've showed you how you can create a product, sync it to your store, and how you can create a store as well. Pretty simple. This is one of the reasons why I love Gelato. It's so simple to use. And also, if you're wondering where you can get Gelato, of course you could come over to this website, but if you click the link down in the description below, you will be able to get a free 30-day trial for Gelato Premium. So over here, as you can see, I also had this 30-day trial, and as you can see, I have Gelato Plus over here. And if you click the link down in the description below, you will also be able to get Gelato Plus for a month free so that you can try it out and see how you like it. Of course you're gonna love it. Now let me just tell you another thing why I love Gelato. Let me just show you some of its features. So the shipping part is very simple, as you saw. You don't even have to worry about it, because when you connect your store, the Gelato will take care of everything for you, all the shipping parts and everything. And you also have your billings over here, so you can go ahead and create a resale certificates for your billing, and then Gelato will take care of everything. It will take care of the manufacturing of the product, shipping of the product, and the storing of the product. You don't even have to do anything. You just have to come over here, sign up, upload your design, and you are good to go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, am I right? Let me also tell you why Gelato is one of the best out there. And it's not just me. You can, don't take my word for it, take the word for all the other people who are using Gelato. So over here, as you can see on Trustpilot, Gelato has one of the best scores out of all the print-on-demand type of websites, types of store. So as you can see, they have a 4.7 store. Now, if I were to just simply search for print-on-demand, I click over here, it's going to show me all all the print on demand industry over here. So as you can see, Gelato ranks the highest. It has a 4.7 score, all the print on demand websites, and out of all the print on demand or POD type of websites out there. So as you can see, it ranks highest. That's because people have used it in the past as well, and they absolutely love it. Another key feature that Gelato has that other stores doesn't is their shipping and compatibility. So over here, as you can see, how many countries does Gelato deliver to? So as you can see, this is one of the things I was talking about. Gelato delivers more than 170 countries worldwide, and they have local productions in at least 34 countries, which is one of the best reasons out there. They support almost every country out there. No other print on demand has this many countries supported by us. Even if you were to use like Printful or Redbubble, they all just don't compare to Gelato, which is one of the best reasons out there. So having said that, just simply click the link down in the description below and get yourself a free 30-day trial for Gelato and sign up using the link down below, and it's pretty amazing. And over here, if you were wondering about their pricing plans and their features, if you click the link down, you will get the Gelato Plus over here, and with that you will get up to 10 stores. You will have 5 users on board. You will get locally printed stores over here, hundreds of product designs, sell on Shopify, Etsy, and all the other shops online, free mockups. You will have intuitive design editor, premium apparel mockups, premium wall art markups, product personalization tools, graphics, over 1 million Getty images, million Shutterstock as, and over 240 premium fonts as well. So what are you guys waiting for? Just simply click the link down in the description below and sign up. As you can saw in this video, I showed you how you can create a product and how you can link a product to your store in less than 15 minutes. So it's pretty amazing. If I were to give Gelato a score, I would give it a 9 out of 10, 100%. It's amazing. And also guys, I would like to say that, you know, if you want to have like 50% off on your first order, then you can do so by entering in this promo code that is on the screen right now. Now, if you've missed it or you can't figure it out or what it says, they will also be mentioned down in the description below as well. So you can copy it from there or you can see it on the screen, whichever one you choose. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.